Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. Ever since the Ukraine-Russia crisis emerged, a lot of people have started investing in gold because of the fact that gold looks like a safe haven. And this has historically been the pattern which people as investors follow. Every time stock markets or any other form of asset class drops, gold's prices increase. But have you ever wondered why does this happen? Why does gold prices fluctuate so much? And what are the factors which motivate the entire price fluctuation of gold? All these details will be unlocked in this video. Since the dawn of time, gold has played a central role in Indian culture. Gold has traditionally been regarded as the most valuable monetary asset class that's available throughout the world. It's seen as a status symbol of prosperity, status among Indians as well. They have an emotional attachment with gold since it has long been employed as a status symbol in weddings, in various other special occasions, and it also carries a lot of religious connotations as well. Gold is one of the most popular investment options in India, and gold has long been seen as a secure investment that will aid in the recovery of any financial crisis. Gold is regarded by the majority of Indians as a valuable investment that can be utilized in times of financial difficulties as well. And every time gold prices have a downtrend, investors definitely have a lot of faith in this metal and they end up purchasing it, hoping that they will be able to reap the benefits in the future when the metal's price will rise again. Well, here are the few reasons why gold prices rise and fall in India. Number one is the impact of demand and supply of gold price. Increased demand of gold is invariably accompanied by the rise in the yellow metal's price. The economic rise of China and India over the last decade has definitely fueled demand for gold, driving up prices. This demand has slowed in the recent years as the country's economy has stabilized. Religious practices also have a very important impact on the variety of aspects of Indian culture, including gold pricing as well as demand. During significant festivals in our country like Dhanteras, Diwali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Akshaya Tritiya, gold demand definitely spikes up across the country. So they spend buying on gold jewelry, gold coins, which increases the prices to some extent. When the demand for gold increases, so does the price and vice versa. Gold is a commodity that is always in huge demand. Gold pricing is heavily influenced by the demand and supply of it. Next point is the impact of inflation on gold prices. Indians prefer to invest in gold because of gold price reaction to inflation. When gold inflation rises, the valuation of the currency falls. As a result, many choose to save their money in the form of gold. Gold functions as a hedging measure against inflationary conditions when it remains high for an extended length of time. Gold's value is regarded as the constant in the long run because of the value of currency fluctuates. Gold has long been regarded as a store of value because it is a tangible commodity. It cannot be printed like money, and its value is unaffected by government interest rate decisions. Because gold has historically held its value and it can be used as a type of insurance against economic downturns also. As a result of this, the growing inflation might hypothetically be said to drive increasing demand for gold, which in turn drives the higher gold prices. Next is the impact of stock on gold prices. Between the Sensex and the gold prices, there is an inverse link, and they are like highly disproportional. When investors sense a bullish trend in the stock market, they prefer to invest their money in stocks in order to get more returns on future high valuations of the stock prices. And therefore, the demand for gold diminishes as a result of the shift in preference towering towards the stock market and reducing towards the gold prices. When the stock market falls and the investors believe that the bearish trend will continue for some more time, then they choose to invest their excess fund in safe haven assets like gold, causing the gold demand to rise up again and the gold prices to rise. It means that gold prices and the Sensex have an inverse proportionate relationship or inverse connection. Next is the impact of currency on gold prices. Well, the price of a country's currency in terms of another country's currency is called as an exchange rate. To put it another way, it's the rate at which one currency can be converted into the another currency. However, that value can change over time and it can be quite volatile at times. When the dollar value rises in relation to other countries' currency throughout the world, the price of gold tends to decline in the US dollar terms. The reason for this is that gold gets more expensive in other currencies. Gold, on the other hand, tends to rise as the value of the US dollar falls, as it becomes cheaper in other currencies. The price of gold tends to be inversely proportional to value of US dollar. Gold prices tend to fall as the US dollar's strength grows. This is why many gold investors keep an eye on the US dollar and currency exchange rates before they make any kind of gold investments. Next is the impact of crude oil prices on gold. Because the two have such a close direct relationship, crude oil prices can also be utilized as a trustworthy proxy for gold price changes. Gold prices tend to rise and fall in lockstep with the crude oil prices throughout the time. This is due to the fact that gold, like oil, is also extracted from earth and is standardized and interchangeable. Because energy is the primary cost of production for gold, changes in the long-term oil prices have definitely impacted the price fluctuations between the two. Furthermore, rising crude oil prices result in inflation, which is a sign of expanding economy. Next is the impact of import duty on gold prices. Due to the fact that gold is not produced in India, it is imported from other nationals, other countries, and import tariff definitely plays a significant role in the price valuations of gold. Because of the large number of transactions, the central bank's choice to buy or sell gold can have an impact on the price as well. So the conclusion of this entire story is that other factors that influence gold prices in India include geopolitical consideration, government reservations, favorable monsoon rains, and the jewelry market. The price of gold in India is influenced by a variety of internal as well as external variables. It's also impossible to ignore the role of India's growing population driving up the gold demand. Considering the above factors, it's definitely very much important to understand the principles, as well as you need to also, as an investor, make sure that the investments in your investing strategy have the risk tolerance. While gold is a smart investment during these times, it comes with its own set of concerns. Before you invest, make sure that you have complete understanding of the situation, and make sure you understand the fact that it is also important to have your portfolio diversified. You can definitely have gold a little bit in your portfolio, a little bit equity, a little bit government-based investment schemes, a little bit digital assets, etc. And to understand when is the right time to buy a gold and how do you ensure that you're getting in the right quality, what are the different types of gold loans that are available in our country. We have made so many courses on these topics on the Financial Freedom application. The mobile application's link is provided in the description box, where you'll be able to access courses in 6 different languages, which is including Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada, where you can also understand what kind of gold loans that are available, what are the different types of asset classes, how should you invest in gold, should you invest only in the gold jewelry form, or should you invest in other digital gold options which are also available. All these details are also mentioned in the mobile application. Don't forget to download it. The link of it is provided in the description box. And if at all you like this video, make sure you leave your feedbacks in the comment section. Let us know how well we are doing. If at all there's anything that we need to improve, let us know about that as well. And make sure you follow us on our social media handles as well. The link of it is provided in the description box. And don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon as well, so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and this is IndianMoney.com English. Get wise, get free.